The iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of the most revolutionary smartphones Apple has ever created, packed with huge design changes, advanced hardware upgrades, and AI-powered software enhancements that push the boundaries of what a phone can do. In this video, we'll explore every detail, from the redesigned chassis and futuristic display to the leaked camera upgrades, battery improvements, and hidden features no one expected. Whether you're a die-hard Apple fan, a tech enthusiast, or someone deciding whether to upgrade, this comprehensive guide to the iPhone 17 Pro Max will tell you everything you need to know. Let's jump in. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. One of the biggest changes in the iPhone 17 Pro Max is its completely redesigned body. Apple is reportedly ditching the traditional design language that's been around since the iPhone 12 series in favor of a sleeker, more futuristic look. Ultra-slim titanium chassis with improved durability and reduced weight. Rounded edges return, improving grip and comfort over the flat-edge design. New matte glass back that resists fingerprints and enhances grip. Even thinner bezels, pushing the display nearly edge-to-edge. Portless model possibility. Apple is testing a 100% wireless iPhone for the Pro Max variant. According to leaks from supply chain insiders, Apple has trimmed the thickness of the device by over 1.5 millimeters thanks to improved internal stacking and a new thermal design. This will make the iPhone 17 Pro Max the slimmest Pro Max ever released. Powering the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the upcoming Apple A19 Pro chip, built on an enhanced 2nm architecture. This chip isn't just about speed, it's about intelligence. Up to 30% more energy efficient and 20% faster than A18 Pro. AI Neural Engine, 7th Gen handles over 100 trillion operations per second. Console-class GPU, optimized for AAA mobile games and AR experiences. Enhanced thermal regulation for sustained high performance. Thanks to the A19 Pro chip, the iPhone 17 Pro Max won't just be faster. It will be smarter, cooler, and more power efficient, capable of managing next-gen AI workloads right on the device. If leaks are true, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could debut Apple's first full-screen display with no notch or dynamic island. 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display with 120 Hz ProMotion. New under-panel Face ID, and camera tech developed with LG and Samsung. Brighter, up to 3000 nits peak brightness for HDR. Sharper, Ultra Retina XDR resolution with better contrast and color accuracy. Always-on display 2.0, with customizable widgets and animations. The under-display technology, if fully ready, could eliminate the dynamic island, allowing for immersive content experiences and the cleanest iPhone design ever. Photography has always been a defining feature of the iPhone Pro Max models, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is taking it to a whole new level. 48MP main sensor with improved low light and dynamic range. New periscope-style telephoto lens with up to 10x optical zoom. Ultra-wide sensor upgrade to 48MP with macro enhancements. Improved AI Smart HDR6 and Cinematic Video Pro at 8K 30 frames per second. Advanced spatial photography for Vision Pro content creators. The camera setup is rumored to be co-engineered with Sony, integrating a new